There, once again, this is Chicken Whisperer. I'm gonna feed my birds again, water them and everything. And I'm gonna sit down in the coop, feed them some more mealworms. Look at my babies, they are growing like crazy. And I'm gonna take care of them after I get it done with filming because I can barely do it with one hand. There's 15 birds in there. And I've probably got 8 or 9 more birds downstairs, about a week and a half behind these guys. So I'm really adding to my flock. And right now in this coop, right now, I have 30 birds, aside from these guys. Well, here goes. I'm going to walk and go sit down with them. Start opening the mealworms and watch them go crazy. Hey guys! They know exactly what's going on. Come on, comment on my videos. Is this a barred rock looking one with the combs starting to turn out to be a rooster or not? Boy, they love mealworms. There's a few of them that are really extra nice in here. Because all what you gotta do is sit with your birds and pet them once in a while. Hey, don't give it a booty shot. I thought that one right there was rooster, but it's probably just a dominant male, dominant female. This one might be rooster. I know this one's female. All black sex links that you get from the stores, I'm pretty sure they're pullets because I read in the book. They're all females.